Hello everyone and welcome back to Jeffy and Chihuahua. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I made these really cute coasters. They turned out amazing beyond my wildest dreams, so I'm going to go ahead and show you guys those techniques. To start off with, we're going to be using some 2-part epoxy resin. This is the kind that takes about 24 hours to dry. I bought this mold set at Hobby Lobby. It was super cheap. I actually couldn't believe how inexpensive their molds were. For our first layer, we're going to be using my absolute favorite glitter. It's from Mad Micas. When you see the insane amount of rainbow in the glitter in person, you'll understand why it's my favorite. We're going to go ahead and do a really thin layer of that glitter mixture in all 5 of our molds. These are a bunch of little packages of dried out flowers. My friend gave these to me, but I'm sure you can get them on Amazon as well. I stacked the flowers as full as I could get them, and then I tried to stick some to the side of our molds just for a little bit more of a unique touch. I let that first layer completely dry, and then I went ahead and mixed up all of our colors. We had 4 main colors, a white mixture, and then I also made a little bit more of that glitter mixture, and I poured the glitter mixture down into our big mold just so it blends a little better. Using the colors, I made a loop around each of our circles, and then I just went in with our white mixture and filled them up until they reached the top. I poured the remainder of our 4 colors into the corners of our holder, and then I went ahead and filled it to the top with our white mixture. After 24 hours, I unmolded and added some little stickies to the bottom of the coaster. Those I was able to get on Amazon. And there you have it, our finished project. I hope you guys really enjoyed this one. If you liked it, please hit that like button and subscribe so we can see you in the next video. Bye!